Good morning and assalamualaikum to each and everyone, especially to Ma'am Delantay. This will be my video report for TTL1 and my topic is all about TPAC as framework for technology driven teaching and learning. Okay, so let's go. By the way, my name is Alchid Chumalan from BSED Science 2B, an irregular student of this class. Okay, so first we have here the pre-assessment, but I think we should skip this of course kasi nga video report lang to. Okay, so we have here a pre-assessment. This is to test your prior knowledge about the topic. So we have here scrambled letters. Write the correct word of the scrambled letters. Definition of the word is given as your guide. Okay, so in number 1, understanding the expertise of particular subject on context such as math, science, arts, history, and others, or etc. Okay, so the answer for this will be content. Okay, so the number 2 here is TPAC that refers to the teacher's knowledge on how to select, use, and integrate these tools in teaching and learning context. Okay, so the answer for this will be technology. All right. So these two topics or words here will be tackled later. Okay, so let us proceed. No? So okay, introduction. So what is TPAC? Okay, so TPAC po is the technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge known as TPAC is a theoretical model describing the capability of 21st century teachers, no? Again, no? So describe it is a theoretical model, no? Okay, so this framework shows that the connectedness of content with pedagogical knowledge and the integration of technology in making teaching more engaging, relevant, and effective. No? So the statement is very self-explanatory itself. No? So Schulman's 2008 pedagogical content knowledge or PCK is a framework which involves the teacher's competence in delivering the concepts being taught by simplifying complex ones if needed, for leading the students to study a concept more deeply and extensively. Okay, so let me first introduce to you rather the three domains of this theoretical model, no? We have the first one, the pedagogical knowledge. So, ang pedagogical knowledge po is this is the how, no? The expert knowledge in the science of teaching from educational and learning theories to individual differences to strategize or strategies and techniques as well as assessments of learning, no? So PK or pedagogical knowledge. So like for example, no, ito yung siya yung sa problem based learning, inquiry based instruction, and differentiated instruction, no? When we say pedagogy kasi, it is the technique or method na gagawin ng teacher para mas mapadali yung deliberation niya ng topic or discussion sa kanyang students. For the students also to cope up na rin, no? To understand the topic more easily. Okay. So, let us move on to the content knowledge. The content knowledge, it is the what, no? Understanding of the content such as language, arts, math, science, history, among others. No? So, yun na yung example niya. Yung science, math, history, language, subjects, and etc. No? So, that will be the content knowledge, no? Okay, ang content knowledge naman is of course, ito na yung alam mo na kailangan mong ituro sa students mo. So, that will be the content. Okay, so let us proceed to the domain 3, no, the technology knowledge. This is the teacher's knowledge on how to select, use, and integrate these tools in teaching and learning context. So it is very self-explanatory din, no? Kasi nga technology knowledge, we already know about that. Like for example, laptop, LCD projectors, wiki, blogs, Edmodo or Google Class, no? Technological knowledge or TIKI. Okay, so let us proceed to the interconnectedness of the three, which is the TPAC, right? So their interconnectedness now, like for example here, no, pedagogical content knowledge. Okay, so halata naman na pinaghalo yung pedagogy and the content knowledge, no? So this is their interconnectedness. And if you can see on the illustration, no, so yan yung sa gitna ng pedagogy and the content domain, no? So pedagogical content knowledge. Okay, so the intersection or interconnectedness of the pedagogical and content areas of knowledge. Okay, so this is how much competencies the teacher have in making the student learn and the concept and skills. Include knowledge of how to use techniques that can meaningfully address different learning styles while supporting content with deeper understanding. Okay, so like for example nito po is like for nagkaroon kayo ng lesson, then need kayong i-assess ng inyong teacher, no, lang teacher. Okay, so ang naging pedagogical technique niya doon or yung naging technique niya doon is like for example pina-project kayo ng something, no? Yun yung pedagogy. And yung something na yun is yun na yung topic, no? Like for example, yung topic ninyo is all about earth tectonics, no? Like for example, earth tectonics. So pinagawa kayo ng illustration ng earth tectonics using raw materials or no? So that will be the pedagogy, no? And yung topic naman is yung binigay sa inyo na topic na tinuro mismo nung teacher, nung specific teacher. No, so yun yung pedagogical content knowledge. So I hope you understand that, no? Okay, so let us proceed to the technological pedagogical knowledge, no? Know how to collect or to select rather, use or develop technology to manage students' learning. Okay, so this will be the intersection or interconnectedness of technology and the pedagogy. So as you can see naman, no, sa illustration natin dyan sa PPT. Okay, so or TPK, no? Technological pedagogical knowledge or TPK. Knowing how to select, use or develop technology to manage students' learning. Okay, so alam naman natin, no? we can figure out, no, kung ano yung sinasabi sa statement. It's very self-explanatory. Okay, so like for example na lang po is yung teacher ninyo pinagamit kayo ng cellphone. Okay, so that will be the technology. And using your cellphone, pinagawa niya kayo ng QR code for TTL1. So that will be the pedagogy, no? Yun yung naging technique ng teacher, naging method ng teacher para matutunan nyo kung paano gumawa ng QR code, no? Then ang ginamit niya na technology is cellphone. So that is the technological pedagogical knowledge. Okay, so let us proceed to the technological content knowledge. An interconnection, an intersection when technology is used in specific subject area to enrich and deepen the students' understanding of the content, no? So of course ito yung interconnectedness or the intersection of technology and the content, as you can see dyan sa PPT natin or sa illustration natin, no? So, the TC key. Okay, so dito naman po sa TC key, no? Again, it is the intersection, no, ng technology and content. So, like for example na lang po dito is pinagamit kayo ng teacher ninyo ng laptop, no? Using that laptop, pinacoding kayo, like for example sa mga IT students, no, sa information technology students, using that laptop, pina-research kayo or pina-code kayo ng isang specific topic, no? So specific topic na tinuro nung teacher na yon. So gi-assess niya kayo using that laptop and pina-coding kayo. So that laptop will serve as the technology, of course. Then, ang topic na yon is yung binigay niya sa inyo na topic na kailangan yung i-coding. So, that will be the topic. So, that is the example, one of the example of technological content knowledge, no? So, I hope you understand my report. Okay, so, it is very self-explanatory din naman, no? Nandiyan lahat sa PPT natin, no? So, it's up to you, it's up to your understanding kung paano nyo ito maintindihan, but at least I give an example of this and I explain it briefly and concise. Okay, so conclusion, no? Conclusion, TPAC is the heart of innovative teaching and about what teachers know, how they teach, and how technology is used in the deliberation or the delivery of the lesson to make more engaging and making learning more relevant in 21st century. So that will be all for my report, and I hope that you gain a lot of knowledge or just a little bit knowledge about my topic. And thank you for listening, and bye bye.